How to get my Bybit wallet address. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. To start by opening up your Bybit and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Now you need to simply head over to the wallets or assets on the bottom right of your screen and then click on the deposit option, which is near withdraw. Now once you are in this particular page, you need to click on deposit crypto on the bottom, and there you have it. We have the whole list of the cryptocurrencies. Now if you want to search for a specific currency, you can simply click on the search icon on the top, and let's say I want to go with the USDT, so I will simply search for it and click on there. Now this is going to give you a chain type which I just need to choose from, which in other words is a network. So you need to select according to your requirements that you are sending the crypto from, and then you can simply copy your address. Now this is also going to give you some estimation like when this is going to arrive according to the address or network that you have selected. Then you can either save picture or your copy address. So that's the way of how you can get my Bybit wallet address.